Hello friends, welcome to MasterCAM training session. In this lecture we will discuss about CAxis contour operation. So first of all we will create object. So in solid I will create cylinder. Dimension value is 15 by 35. Okay, now I will change the view in front and change the C plane in front. Now in transform and click on rotate. Select object and just turn it 90. You will see move option is already selected. Okay. Now I will click on wireframe, change the view wireframe and again wireframe, create a rectangular shape and the dimension value is 20 by 10 and the fillet value is 2, you will see. So I will just click on OK. But you will see this portion is created a center. So I will select, translate, width, the value is 20. Okay. See. Now just change the view in shaded and click on transform and project. So I will select all this portion and selection by surface, select this face. Okay, you will see both side projection is ready. So I will just change the view in front. Now set a machine at lathe default, stock setup, change the plane. Okay, stock, so make a 2 point with end point here and again end point here. Okay, now chakcho, so set height 10, here also 10, here also 10. This value is 10, 20 and 30. Now in properties, now in parameter, from stock and grip length is 1. Okay, and okay. So you will see here. Now I will select CAxis contour operation. So I will select this chain. Okay, select tool. So I will select ball and mill with 1 dia. Okay, holder selection, cut parameter and depth of cut. I will set depth of cut 0.5, linking parameter, so the depth value is -1 and OK. So you will see here invalid rotary diameter, so I will click on OK and change the rotary diameter, means set the rotary diameter 30. Okay. Now we will check in verify selected operation and just play this operation. So you will see. So now this operation is perfectly applied. So I will just close and you will see the another side also same projection available. So I will just right click here and copy and just click here, right click and paste. So you will see the same operation is here. So I will select geometry, select this, right click and delete, right click and add. Now select the another chain. OK, OK and regenerate. Now select both operation and verify selected operation. OK, play. So both side is perfectly applied. So I will just close it. View, isometric. Okay friends, so this is your CAxis contour operation. In next lecture we will discuss cross contour operation. Thank you friends.